Hello and welcome to the HelpWire tutorial series. In this video, you will learn how to establish your first remote control session in HelpWire. In order to establish the remote control connection from your HelpWire web account, either choose one of your contacts from the list and copy the link to the unique client app generated for this particular client, or click the Create New Client button to establish a quick connection to the new contact. Share the link with your client via preferred communication channels, help desk system, email, instant messenger, etc. Wait until your client downloads and installs the HelpWire application. You can view his progress in the Open tab of your HelpWire web account. Request remote access to your client's workstation and wait until they approve it. Press Connect to establish a remote control session with your client's workstation. That's it. Your remote connection is established, and you may support your client and perform the necessary actions. To stop the remote session, just close the HelpWire operator window. Make sure to check out other videos in the HelpWire How-To playlist to dive deeper into product functionality. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information.